Drugs, like any other substance absorbed by the body, must undergo metabolism. Well, what is metabolism? Metabolism is the enzymatic alteration of a drug's structure. Just like food gets broken down by the body, so do drugs, and this mainly occurs in the liver.
Now, for the purposes of this video, drugs are going to be illustrated by the green penguin shown in the figure above. And when they enter body, their goal is to get to the active site, which is illustrated by this purple penguin cutout. But in order to get there, they have to go through the liver where metabolism occurs. And the liver is full of enzymes that help metabolize all sorts of things. And the enzymes that metabolize drugs are known as the P450 system of enzymes. Now, these enzymes have 6 possible consequences when it comes to drug metabolism.
The first and most important is accelerated renal drug excretion. The kidney, which is the major organ in drug excretion, is unable to excrete drugs that are highly lipid-soluble. The liver converts highly lipid-soluble drugs into less lipid-soluble compounds, making it easier for drug excretion. Otherwise, drugs could stay in the body for a very, very long time.
Drug inactivation. The drug has been transformed into an inactive drug, so it no longer works. Increased therapeutic action. This drug is converted into something that works much better than its original form. Activation of prodrugs. This type of drug is inactive before it goes into the body. When it is in the body, the prodrug changes into an active drug. Increased or decreased toxicity. Toxicity refers to the bad effects that can happen when you take in a toxin or too much of a substance that is safer in small doses. Metabolism can make a drug less toxic by turning a drug into its inactive form. However, a safe drug can also be converted into something that has greater potential to be toxic.
Age. Because the liver takes about 1 year to reach its full capacity to metabolize drugs, infants are particularly sensitive to the effects of drugs. Therefore, administering the correct dosage is extremely important for infants in order not to cause unnecessary harm. Drug metabolizing enzymes. Enzymes are catalysts. Enzymes can speed up chemical processes that would otherwise run very slowly. The presence of enzymes in the liver helps to increase the metabolism of drugs. Therefore, higher dosage becomes necessary in order to maintain therapeutic effects. For example, in a process called induction, phenobarbital increases metabolism by causing the liver to synthesize drug metabolizing enzymes. Induction of drug metabolizing enzymes can cause drug-to-drug interactions and loss of efficacy. First pass effect. The first pass effect refers to the rapid hepatic inactivation of certain oral drugs. After a drug is swallowed, it travels through the digestive system. The drugs are then carried to the liver where they undergo metabolism. The liver will either completely or partially inactivate this drug. As a result, either the drug will be inactive or provide inadequate therapeutic effects. In order to circumvent the first pass effect, other routes, such as parenterally of drug administration, should be used. Nutritional status. Hepatic drug metabolizing enzymes require a number of cofactors to function. Malnourished patients have deficient cofactors which compromise drug metabolism. Competition between drugs. When 2 drugs are metabolized by the same metabolic pathway within the liver, the result could be decreased metabolism of one or both of the drugs. On the other hand, if a person has a liver that is not properly metabolizing, a drug can accumulate to harmful levels.
This concludes our synopsis of drug metabolism. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it.